Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for joining me on Tag Tuesday. So this is an open collab hosted by me, and there's several participants which you will find listed below, and their channels are all linked, so you can go into their channels and check out all their awesome ideas for tags. Everybody, is welcome to, anybody's welcome to join. And then you can do whatever tag you want. There's no prompts, no stress, no pressure. Just have fun making tags, right? So all you have to do is post your video on Tuesdays, use the hashtag tagtuesday, and link my channel so that people can come over and see the links, and let me know so I can link you under my under my video today. So today, it's fun. I like making all kinds of tags, and I think it's fun to make traditional tags and fun to make non-traditional tags. In fact, the non-traditional tags are sometimes more fun than the traditional, right? Because they're made out of unusual and different things. So today I thought I'd use some guest checks, kind of different, right? And these are the cardstocky type. So I'm going to see if we can make a couple of these. And these are perforated, so I can just pull a couple off here and carefully so I don't rip it or anything. And then what I'm going to do is use these snowmen that I picked up at cobeads.com. They had asked me to demonstrate a couple of their products, so I picked out the snowman, appliques, and those Santa bells that I've been showing you. So this is my first, actually my second kind of demonstration video for the snowman appliques. Aren't they adorable? And they came like this. All these came in this. This is one order of them in this bag. So I have lots of snowman appliques to last me forever, probably. But what I thought I would do is make a little cluster to put on this tag, and then we'll put a little tag topper here, and we'll turn these guest checks into tags with decorating with the snowman appliques turned into clusters. So I picked out these fabrics here. I thought the snowman looked nice on all of these fabrics. So first I'm going to cut some little squares out of these fabrics to use in my clusters, and with my picking shears. And so I'm going to do that. I don't want to make you watch me cut, so I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back to show you what I am cutting out, or what I have cut out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I cut out some little rectangles and squares. I really don't have a plan. I'm just going with, going with the flow to see what happens here. I cut out 2 rectangles or squares from each one. I wasn't trying to even get them perfect. I just cut, and that was it. So maybe we'll make more than 2 tags here out of our guest checks. But here is 2 of them. So all I'm going to do is, you know what, I might need my stapler. Let me grab that. And I always have it right here on my desk beside me. And I recently put staples in it, so I know there's staples in there, or at least there better be. So let's make a couple of easy, simple, but super cute. I think they'll be super cute with these fabrics. So let me see what I want. These are the biggest pieces here, these little rectangles. So I thought these might be a good base. And I'm kind of just placing them on there to see, make sure they're not too big. Okay, then maybe, since that's a pattern, they're all patterns except for these red ones right here. So let me put that one next, and kind of in the middle. And then, let's see, let's do a green one next. Kind of over to the side. Probably going to be the same as you can see. But I just want to see, I'm not sure how many layers, like that could be done right there, or I could put another layer, or I could cut this even smaller. Let's try that. A little one in the middle of each, and then I have this extra piece here, which I think that is not going to be needed because it's just going to be too much if I put another layer on there. So let's see how our snowman, oh, that's super cute. That is super cute, isn't it? Awesome. So, yeah. So let's get these together. So the easiest way that I've been putting them together, I mean, you could glue all your fabrics together, but it's really not necessary. And if you don't like to see your staples, I've been using a focal point to cover, not necessarily to cover up the staples for me, because I don't mind seeing a staple, but if you do, then this is the type of thing that's perfect to cover up the staple, right? And this holds all your pieces together. Okay, see, they're all together. They're not coming apart. And then we can just glue our little snowman on here. So cute. And we'll have 2 cute tags. I'm going to put a topper on each one though too. Oh, this is some Fabri-Tac I'm trying to use up. Let me see if I got any left in here. So I'm just using Fabri-Tac on the back. These are kind of like plastic on the back of these appliques, so you definitely need something like Fabri-Tac, I would say. Some kind of really strong glue. I don't know, I haven't tried art glitter glue on these, but if you have Fabri-Tac or something strong like that, that would go for that, definitely. So I'm going to put him right in the middle, so all the fabrics still show, you know what I mean? All the fabrics still show. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue, since I have some glue on his hat that's poking up there that I can use to glue everything down. I'm going to go ahead also and put some glue on the back of this cluster. So like all of these pieces don't, I'm not trying to glue all of these pieces down. I just want to get a good amount. And this is how I've been doing it, because I like my fabrics kind of loose on the edges. I think it just looks more natural, maybe. I just like that look where it's, it's going to be glued down securely, but you still have a little loose fabric around the edges. So I'm getting a good amount of circular glue here in the middle. I think that should do it. And then we'll go ahead and glue this down right here. See, and then see, how do I want it? It doesn't really matter. I think I'll just put like this one. I'll put straight. Maybe we'll put the other one crooked and just see which one we like better. Okay, so I'm going to get that all pressed down in the, so we've got glue holding our snowman on there. And then we've got glue on the back of our fabric cluster to hold it down onto the guest check. So let's do this one. Let's see if I have any glue left in here. I can't wait to use this up. I used up 2 almost empty art glitter glue. It's a lot of clutter if you have a lot of glue bottles sitting around that are almost empty, and I don't want to throw away, this glue's not cheap, so you want to use every bit of it. But so yeah, I recently used up 2 art glitter glue bottles, so I don't have those cluttering up my table here anymore. And let's see, I think I'll place see this one. Oh, that's cute. See how it's going. Let's see if I put the square straight. Oh, my square is not cut there. I'm gonna, hold on, this must have been an edge piece and I was pinking shear this. Let me do that. There we go. Oh, this one I didn't do either. Isn't that funny? Never mind on that one. That was too late, or it's not really too late. I still could cut it if I wanted to. Okay, so this one, see how I lined it up on the edge? I did to this one too, and how it kind of goes down and around. So let's see. I have glue on here. Let me see how that looks. Oh yeah, I like that. That's so cute. Just what, 4 pieces of fabric and a snowman applique, and they're gluing down. I've glued these down already, like one in my December daily, and so I already know that these glue down really nicely and solidly and securely. See, that is not going anywhere. It's on there. And then put some glue here again on the back, big circle. All right. Yeah, I was trying to think of what I wanted to use as my base. And I was like, let's do something different. It doesn't have to be, all fabric or all paper or, whatever. Let's do a guest check today. So I had it like this. Very similar to this one, but I guess it looks the same almost. It looks different to me, but it probably doesn't. It probably isn't. It's probably the same. I just want to get that glue under there all pressed down. Okay, let's see if I can pinky shear at least this edge here that I forgot to do because it was the edge of the fabric. And I just cut the fabric off. I didn't cut the edge off. Here we go. That is better. So now I need a topper. So I pulled these little pieces out. These are what I put aside for toppers because they were just little bits from scraps from my fabric I've been using for my Christmas crafting. So I could use these. I could put a little hole up here and tie a little, you know, thing like that. Or I could tie a bow if one was long enough. Or I'm thinking now that I have these extra, I could use one of these. So let's see if I want to do that. That would be cute. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's do that. I don't think I've ever done that before. Put a little tab like that on the top of a guest check. But isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, let's do a little bit more glue here. As it's oozing out, I might as well take advantage of it and put it down here and use it up. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that was cute. And so, yeah, you could staple it on, you could glue it on, you could sew it on. Your little topper, you know how we do. I'm just gluing it on for the sake of the video, so I don't have to pause and go sew or anything. But if I want to after the video, I could sew, or I could just leave it like this. You know, it's nice and secure with the Fabri-Tac. So there we go. I'm saying this one is done. If you want to distress, you can. Of course, you can add more to it, but I think that is really super cute. And so you have writing room here, you know, and all over the back. These get particular guest checks. The cardstock ones have lines on the back too. And then you could really, this is not that bulky. You could put it in a pocket or just paper clip it onto a page, or even put it in a side pocket, or you know, something like that. So many uses, right? And there's so many more uses for these snowmen. I just thought I would like to put them on some tags and see what they do. And of course, it turned out super cute. So this one has the snowflake. Let's see what it looks like with this little polka dot. I think I really love that snowflake material, don't I? I like this one too, but I dislike this one better. So I think I'm going to use the snowflake. I don't have very much of this left. I only have one little piece left. So after I cut these, I noticed I didn't have very much left. But that's okay. I just think it's super pretty. I don't even know where I got that. Might have got a little piece of that at Walmart or at a thrift store. I did pick up a few Christmas pieces of fabric, like remnants, or, you know, just little pieces at a thrift store this year. So not sure where I got that one though. I might have had that last year though. You know what I mean? I think I might have had that from last year. And I probably got it at Walmart last year. Well, I'm hearing air, guys. I think that one might be done. Might be. I'm going to leave it upside down to see if I can get any more out of it. But I've got this one already opened. So let's go for a little bit more glue on here. That should be good. Yeah, this side looks good. Okay. And get our little piece of fabric here. So cute. So yeah, that was pretty simple, right? But so adorable, I think. Of course, who doesn't love a snowman, right? So yeah, that is my tags for this Tag Tuesday using the cobeads.com snowman appliques. I will have Kobe's website listed below, and you can, you know, click on that link and check out what they have, because I have hundreds and hundreds of items. And I'll have a coupon and all my two products that I picked up there linked in case you wanted to pick up some of these snowmen or the snowman bells that I showed you. And also I noticed when I went over to their website, they have all kinds of specials, like, you know, certain percentage off, like it said 65% off certain items, and just they had all kind of coupons you could take advantage of. So you can get some really good deals over there. So I would say check them out just in case you might need something while they're having other sales. And thank you for watching today. Check out the participants because I of course, been watching all the videos from my own collab here, and everybody has just the greatest ideas. Everybody's so creative. So thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed the little snowman tags made out of something different, a guest check. So I will see you all next time. And if you want to participate today, even go ahead. If you're new to this collab, don't hesitate to just jump right in. You can do one. You can do it one time. You can do it every week. You can do it whenever you feel like. You know what I mean? There's no requirements that you do it at any certain time or anything like that. Just on Tuesday, whenever you want. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Have an awesome day.